I recently did a video where I mentioned the fact that I don't like to use the term weapon. Well, I'm sure that video generated some controversy. This one probably will too, but I'll explain why. Welcome to Riders Range. Thanks for taking the time to visit us. And just a short one here to explain why I don't like to use the term weapon. This can be a weapon. This can be a weapon. The electric guitar hanging behind me is pretty heavy. That can be a weapon. The 12 string above it, maybe not so much, but that electric one swinging hard is heavy enough, it can be a weapon. Words impart different meanings to different people. A while back I taught a class to kids, and I taught it with a recently separated military veteran. Decorated, I respect him, and I had to caution him during the class, do not refer to the rifles that these kids are going to be using as weapons. I'm seeing on all these YouTube channels, somebody says, go get my weapon. I hear an instructor in a class, get your weapons. Well, if you use it offensively or defensively, it's a weapon. But 99.999 times out of 100, when we use a firearm, we're using it not as a weapon. And the public has a bad enough perception of gun owners, gun enthusiasts, they call them gun nuts. And to emphasize that the handgun on our hip or the AR slung over our shoulder is a weapon is, when it's not being used as such, it sends the wrong message. People will tie a meaning to the word, and I don't like using it. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Comments down below on why you think that you should run around calling your gun a weapon in every situation. I mean, my nice Browning Satori 725 trap gun, put a link up there to that video. When I'm out of the trap range, I'm not using it as a weapon, although theoretically it could be. A kitchen knife can be used as a weapon. Firearms, when I have my grandsons over and they're shooting my Ruger precision rimfire at targets on Riders Range, they're not using it as a weapon. I don't like the term, and there are a couple of other terms we'll talk about it at some other point that I think are being used, overused and misused, just to send the wrong message. So again, firearms, yes; guns, yes; pistols, yes; rifles, yes; shotguns, yes; weapons, no; military, yes. On the firing line, learning how to shoot or qualification or whatever in the military, go grab your weapons. Okay, the whole primary purpose of that gun is to be used as a weapon. For most of us, the primary purpose is a sporting use, not a weapon use. So again, I just don't like the term. That's it. That's just a short rant from Riders Range. If you like these videos in general, we appreciate a thumbs up, comments down below. But again, please keep them respectful. It's a family channel, the whole bit. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, click on notifications so you know what's coming up on Riders Range. Comments are welcome down below. Comments on anything else that you'd like to see. info@ridersrange.com. Check our website out, www.ridersrange.com. I'm getting a little behind in updating it, but maybe when this whole shutdown stuff gets over and my business gets back to normal, I'll have a little more time to keep some of that stuff updated. So I want to thank you for visiting Riders Range.